Alright guys, welcome back to Alex ICT. Let me quickly show you how to buy JAMB registration pin for UTME and direct entry candidate. There's a site where you can buy it online. This is the site. Let me type it out so that you see it. Okay, the site is myschoolprojects.com.ng. You can see it on your screen. myschoolprojects.com.ng. You press enter. This is the site to load something like this for you. The site offers so many services. It's not only JAMB PIN. They sell project materials for final year students and ebooks. They do other things like YA scratch card, NECO, NAPTEC, and so on. They have JAMB services like O-level result upload, JAMB PIN, JAMB novel, JAMB syllabus, and so many other things done in this site that have to do with education, like university and secondary school. Now, when you open this site, you see the menu bar at the top. You see home page, project materials, ebooks, scratch card, and so on. Here we are after JAMB services. There we will see all the services, all the JAMB services available in this site. So we click on JAMB services, as you can see it here. It will open a page for JAMB services. These are all the JAMB services available. You scroll down. The first thing here is a JAMB O-level result upload. If you want to read the result, to JAMB portal, this is a service you use. You click here, you pay this money, and your result will be sent to JAMB portal without you going to look for a CBT center. JAMB CBT center. Now, another thing is the JAMB UTME registration pin. If you want to buy the pin, this is the link. Also, if you want to buy direct entry, this is the link. There are other things like if you want to buy JAMB practice software to use and practice your JAMB before the exam date so that you'll be acquainted with the questions and answers. This is the link. If you want to use JAMB change of institution, if you want to create JAMB profile, if you want to reset your JAMB password, if you want JAMB pass questions and answers, if you want to print your JAMB result slip, there are other things done in this site. JAMB admission check. If you want to check your admission, it is still in this site. Now, if you want to buy YA, NECO, NAPTEC, examination result checking scratch card, it is still here. But let's go up. This is not what you are looking for. What you are looking for at this point is buy JAMB UTME E-PIN now. For those who are writing JAMB for the first time for UTME, if it's direct entering, you take the second one. Now you click on it. Let's wait for it to load. Network is very bad and very poor. It has opened. Now you scroll up. You see JAMB UTME E-PIN price 7,250. The price 7,200, but the 50 naira here is bank charges. You know, this is we are going to use this site is using payment gateway. The charge, the site that we use to collect the money will be included here. Now, these are the instructions. If you don't have your profile code, you need to get your profile code. You will type the word NIN. You give a space and then type your 11-digit NIN number and send it to 55019 with your phone, and they will send you a profile code. Is that phone number that you use to send this message that will be used in your JAMB. Now, if you have done that, you can now come and scroll and then type in your profile code here. Enter your profile code here. If you have any issues or complaint, call or WhatsApp this number here 08064897610. Now you click on verify and wait for it to load. Please, network is bad. You need to endure. Sorry for keeping you waiting. Network is very poor in this area where I'm making this video from. Okay, now you scroll down again. You see that it will have a different page for you to fill. You fill in your name, You fill in your name starting from surname. Then you enter your phone number. The phone number, please, that is used to get the profile code. Then you put your email address. You put your email address. And click on proceed to pay. It will take you to the payment gateway, get pay solutions, where you make your payment. You can pay with bank transfer or pay with ATM card. If you want to pay with bank transfer, you click on pay with bank transfer. You will see the account number to pay. Transfer the money. The money is 7,250. Transfer it to this account number you are seeing here. The bank name is Save Heavy Microfinance Bank. Sometimes you may see different bank. This bank here changes, and this bank here is for this transaction. If you want to buy 2 pins or 3 pins and so on, each time you want to buy again, pass through the same procedures, you will see a different account number from the previous one you use. Don't use this account number 2 times, just use it once. This account number expires in 1 hour. It is to be used once. When you have made the payment, you click on I have made the transfer. In this case, I have not, so I'll get a response of money not received yet. Transaction not received yet. Please wait for a few seconds and click the button again. If I made a payment, you can click here to take you to where the PIN will be displayed. If you don't get the PIN, if you have any issue, that phone number I showed you in that My School project, the number you should contact on WhatsApp, and you get your PIN as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so when we post videos, you'll be notified. Thank you. Do have a lovely day. If you have any quick question or comment, use the comment section to ask your questions, and I'll give you a reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.